May the Lord bless you and safeguard you. May He illuminate His countenance for you and be gracious to you. May the Lord shine His face upon you and establish for you shalom. And may the Lord make you like Ephraim and Manasseh. And may the Lord make you like Sarah, Rebecca, Leah, and Rachel.
Birthday!
Mo kay Day.
Bangga, magandang umaga. Happy birthday. Salamat sa Diyos na pinagpala ka ng Panginoon. Alalahanin mo kung gaano kamahal ng Diyos, gaano kamahal nanay mo, namin lahat. Ikaw ay aming pinapanalangin araw at gabi. Ingatan kayo ng Panginoon. Ay ang kailangan lang ay alalahanin natin kung gaano tayo minahal ng Diyos, gaano tayo iniingatan ng Diyos, lalo na sa iyong birthday. Kaya nga ay happy birthday and God bless. Ingat po kayo dyan. Kamusta si Doc? Maraming salamat.
Nay, message mo kay Day.
Hello, Nick. Good morning. Happy birthday. Okay. Ngayong umaga, maganda ang blessing sa iyo kasi ilang taon ka na. So, God is always with you. Mahalin mo ang imong trabaho, mahalin mo ang imong bossing, mahalin mo din ang imong mga tauhan, nurses. God bless, thank you, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Merry Christmas!
Happy New Year na rin.
Nangungulit sa amin dito si Paulette J. Ben. You say, happy birthday, Tita Day. Aray ko. Wish mo kay Day, honey? Wish mo kay Day.
Love life. Siyempre anak, di ba?
Ayun, love life, and then, maybe, just stay sweet, healthy, and smart. Love you, sis. Take care always. Happy birthday. Happy New Year. Taas mo ulit si
Sabi mo Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Tita Day.
Merry Christmas.
Ano?
Christmas.